Alright folks, welcome back. So this is Genealogies of the First and Second Waves of Jewish Families, Part 3, from when Scotland was Jewish. Disclaimer, under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use. King James VI and the First. Sir Walter's son and Bruce's grandson became King Robert II. The line of the Stuarts continued unbroken with male heirs until the birth of Mary Queen of Scots. Her son, King James VI of Scotland, first of England, united the crowns of Scotland and England in 1603. Hungarian and Khazar origins. Queen Margaret of Scotland had Hungarian and Khazar ancestry. Her roots went back to Zoltan and his consort, the daughter of Maroth, the Prince of Behir, Khazar, and Giza, Prince of the Magyar. Maud de Lens, or Matilda. King David I also married a Jewish woman, Maud de Lens, or Matilda, whose line went back to Louis the Pious, King of the Franks, in the 9th century. Isabella of Mar. Isabella of Mar, King Robert the Bruce's first wife, was mother to Marjorie Bruce and grandmother to King Robert II. Her roots trace back to Iago, Jacob, Ab Idwal, King of Gwynedd, or Wales. Mary de Guise, wife of James V, was of Middle Eastern and Mediterranean blood. The Kingdom of Jerusalem. Her ancestors included Isaac Angelos, Stephen of Armenia, Isabella of Cyprus, and Judith Bonne of Bohemia and Louise. Many Scottish clans had ties to the House of Bouillon and the kings and queens of the Kingdom of Jerusalem. So that's it for part 3. Join me for part 4.
Zoltan!